Plugin for robust test. Facade Team 1. Using an IDE is helpful as it saves a lot of time and effort. It makes compiling and debugging relatively easy. For large projects, it helps maintaining company standards. Commonly used IDEs are Android Studio and IntelliJ. Problem faced by app developers. There are many challenges involved in testing apps. Having access to the right set of devices in this ever-growing market is one of them. Manual testing becomes a laborious process. As a solution, automating the test cases in the app testing part helps to an extent, and this is provided by some organizations. Robust Test. Robust Test is a platform for mobile app testing and test management. It provides many services, out of which the most important ones are the automation of test cases and providing a secure device cloud. Having access to the device cloud is useful as one can only have access to a limited set of devices manually. What we are doing is creating a Robust Test plugin for IntelliJ IDE so that the features provided by Robust Test are accessible right from the plugin. User is a tester or a developer. User can access the device cloud and start testing on a selected device using predefined test cases. This is the project plan document for Facade Team 1. Project title: Plugin Development for Robust Test. The team members are Srikar, Sairag, Vinay. Client Mr. Aishwarya Mishta, Robust Test. Brief problem statement. The task at hand is to create Robust Test plugin for IDE applications that are used by developers for testing. Robust Test is nothing but a platform for which provides service of test case automation for mobile app testing. Development environment. The development environment for this project is Android Studio and IntelliJ, which are the IDEs that are used by developers for mobile app development, and plugin development environment for IntelliJ, which is used to develop a plugin for IntelliJ or some IDE. Coming to the basic system requirements of the plugin, we need to create a plugin that is implemented with any IDE, like example an IntelliJ IDE, such that the plugin should be able to provide an authentication service to any server which it is connected to, and then extract information from the server and render this into a web view and display it to the user of the plugin in this case. Since the core part of our plugin is coded in Java, it should be able to run in any platform that supports Java runtime environment. Coming to the user profile. The main targeted users of this plugin are basically the developers who use IDEs like Android Studio, IntelliJ to develop their apps. This plugin will be provided in such an IDE, and the developer will use this plugin to gain access to any server which is connected to the plugin. This is the basic overview of the use cases that are present in our system. This is the use case diagram for our system. Use case: user authentication. Overview: the main aim of this use case is to is for the user to gain access to the testing modules that are provided by the server. The precondition: the user has selected the authentication option. Then the user provides his credentials to the plugin, and then the server decides whether they are genuine or not. If they are genuine, then the user is provided with a list of modules that are available for the testing. If the credentials are wrong, then the authentication fails and an error message is displayed. Second use case, modal availability for testing. Overview. The main aim of this use case is to provide this user with a list of modules available for testing. For this to happen, the user should be successfully logged into the robustest domain. Now, once the user is if the plugin is connected to the robustest server, then the plugin takes the information from the robustest server and renders it into a web view to display it to the user, who is then able to access the server and test his app that he is developing using the models that are available in the robustest server device cloud. Now this is the IntelliJ IDE. Now I'm going to show how our plugin is installed. Go to settings, install plugin from disk. Here plugin.zip is our plugin in the form of a .zip file. Press OK. OK. Restart. The IDE needs to be restarted before the effects take place. Once we have restarted the plugin, there will be a new tab, Robustest Authentication, in the plugin, and then it has the options Authentication and Web View. First, the user has to authenticate, so select the Authenticate option. Now, the user needs to enter his credential. Now the user has successfully entered his credentials and has gained access to the robustest server. Now the robustest server sends the information to this plugin as a list of modules available for testing. Now this information is provided by the robustest server with the help of an API. Now this API sends information in the form of a very complicated format, which is converted into user-friendly format of a list with the help of JSON parsing. Now the user is free to select any of this available device, and with the help of WebView.
Now coming to the second part of our video, the WebView. The WebView is a crucial part of our project because it takes information from any server and renders it into a new window of the IDE, and display the information to the user. So it prompts us to enter the URL to the server which it needs to be connected. Now this link is generated using NoVNC software, which is to be hosted on a server, which is the robustest server in this case, and the clients which are trying to access the information through this plugin needs to be able to run Java Viewer. Now this link is generated using NoVNC, as I have told before. This link now is to the server, which is the robustest server. As the robustest server is temporarily unavailable to us right now, so we have hosted a server in our local network and we are connecting to it. Now this link connects to a local server which we have hosted in our local network. Here we are hosting the robustest website. This renders the robustest website here. Now we can control this from our client side. Once the robustest servers are available, we can the available mobile devices for testing are displayed here, and the developer, whoever is developing, can test and check the results of the test cases that he has run on the app. Thank you. Sasad 1.